Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here, mortgage advisor from Bosanoff Mortgages, Mortgages Made Easy, coming to you live from Bogota in Colombia with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. And it'll just be a brief one today because it's just after 8 o'clock at night here. And we've had a long day sightseeing, busy day out there exploring this beautiful city. Gee, it's a huge city. If you're ever in this part of the world, you've got to come check it out. Highly recommended. And one thing that I've noticed here is the majority of the population live in apartments. So I'm staying at my mother-in-law's place here, and you can see in the background behind me here, all these buildings here, all these lights are apartments around me. So it's apartment living here. And you know, it's not just 2 bedrooms, it's 3-4 bedroom apartments, multiple living areas, bathrooms. So it's it's a completely different way of living. Mind you, the city's got a population of around 8 million people. So you know, it's hard to fit everyone in their own houses. So just reminds me how lucky in New Zealand we are. I was out there today looking, every day there's people out there walking their dogs because, you know, or their pets, mostly their dogs, because, you know, there's no room for them in the apartments. So they've got to take them out to the little courtyards or the little parks around each apartment so they can stretch their legs, go to the bathroom and do that sort of stuff. So, yeah, it reminds me how lucky we are in New Zealand. And it just also got me thinking, if you're looking to buy an apartment, there's a few rules. You need to have a 20% deposit when you're buying an apartment if you're going to live in it. It needs to be at least 38 square meters. It's got to have and that's floor size, can't excluding balconies. You've got to have, the apartment's got to have an NBS of 67% or higher. That's the earthquake rating. You wouldn't want to have lower anyway because, especially in Wellington. And the bank likes to look at the last 2 years' body court minutes just to make sure there's no weather tightness or other issues like that. And of course, it's got to have insurance and a code of compliance in place as well. So if you've been thinking about looking at apartments, there are some of the criteria. Anyway, back to what I was talking to you about, mortgage interest rates, no changes other than the floating rates. With what I've shared with you the last few weeks, still 1 year 4.59, 2 years 4.99. They haven't moved yet. It'll be interesting to see when they do move. I assume the pricing committees are also on holidays at the moment, or not really looking. No one's really looking to rock the boat at the moment because when ANZ put up their rates last time, a lot of the other banks didn't move. So it'll be interesting to see when that 2-year rate goes to 5.09 or 5.19. Hasn't happened yet. No one knows when it will, but if you can still thinking of fixing for 2 years and you see that 4.99 in there, make sure you're getting the right advice before you lock it in, so you know what's going on. I was reading something from Tony Alexander today. He reckons that the Reserve Bank may be putting the OCR up 0.25 next time they meet. So I think that's in September, I think now. Or late August, I think. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what is going to happen next time the Reserve Bank does meet, because I think they might also hike it, and then they might put it on a period of pause while we head into the election campaign, because I don't think they'll want to be hiking up the OCR during the campaign because they'll just become political fodder for the political parties, and that's not what they want. If you're out there looking at open homes this weekend, to my first home buyers out there or other people looking at properties, don't be disappointed if you haven't seen any new listings come on yet. That is standard for this time of the year. People are away at school holidays. It's the depths of winter, so people don't really want to be listing their property and having people through open homes. I think that'll change come the end of the month and early August. That's when you can start to see new listings come on, and then a few more at the end of August, September, and then in October, it'll be away to the races. There'll be those new listings coming on. So if you've been thinking of selling, now's the time to be getting your house ready for sale. So once spring comes, you're ready to go on the market. So now's the time to do those things. If I was personally selling a house, I'd be getting a builder's report done on the house so I could fix any issues before I go to market. Of course, I'd be transparent and disclose that. Also be getting a limb report as well to make sure there's no issues, because things can pop up. You know, we have seen there's some things on limb reports that can delay things for people wanting to go unconditional. And if you're wanting to sell your house and sell it to a first home buyer, these delays or these issues can put people off. So especially when it's a buyer's market, you want to have everything sorted. Anyway, guys, I'm going to take a breath there. Hopefully that was useful. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll get back to it. In the meantime, I hope you're well wherever you are and wherever you're watching this. Give me that like button, give me that share button, and we'll come to you live with another video next week. But who knows, I might have something funny for you in the next few days. In the meantime, signing off from Bogota, Colombia. God bless you all. We'll be in touch soon. Cheers.